Hi there, welcome to Traders Union. Trading signals are great ways to discover new trading opportunities without doing the analysis yourself. And one of the best ways to get these signals is through Telegram. But choosing the best signal provider from an endless list of Telegram channels can be quite a challenge. So, let's understand how to choose the best Telegram trading signal provider for you. Specifically, there are 4 key things to look at. First, the quality of the signals. Look for signal providers with a long track record, preferably of more than 3 years, and higher accuracy rate, ideally above 70%. The higher these 2 metrics, the higher the quality of the signals. Second, reviews from other users. This is also a good way to also filter out potential scammers. Make sure to check website or Trustpilot reviews for the signal providers. Third, money-back guarantee. If a signal provider offers a money-back guarantee, you are likely to be more assured of their performance. And even if they do not live up to the expectations, you would recoup your signal fee. And finally, the 4th aspect, that is free trial. Always check if the paid Telegram channel you want to choose has a free trial. If it has one, try it for free before paying for it to get a hint of what you're getting into. Remember, Telegram Forex signals should be used cautiously and as a supplement to your own analysis. So, do your research and use signals selectively as an input in your trading. Good luck.